guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add in a shake effect on CapCut to your video. To your pictures. So press on a picture and then go to style. Then you are going to go to camera shake to just basically make it shake, or you can even like add in animations over here that can hopefully shake. I feel like you can do swing, not shake though. Let's see, I'm just gonna find it. Oh yeah, you actually have shakedown, but it's like sort of a different effect to the first one that I showed you. And there's also swing, which is kind of like a shake, as you can see. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Just press, oh, here's shake. So for shake, you can also do it for videos, but for the style, the one that I had here, you can only do it for pictures. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!